can hear the thunder. It looks like a thunderstorm is passing us by to the north. Hope we get some rain. But it just doesn't look that way. Out in the garden, checking the autumn clematis that my friend Ted started from a little cutting from his friend Nan's bush. Vine is doing great. This branch of it is really going. The potatoes I'm worried about. Got the peas gone. Peas were done, pretty much. Ooh! Hope you can hear that thunder. Potatoes, though, have had bugs that I've been picking off, but it seems like something is still eating them that I cannot find. But these are doing okay. I hope we get some potatoes. I planted the cucumbers late, but they're doing well. They're coming up. These are the only poppies left. And these happen to be white. I must have planted them from seed. All others were the red ones. Hollyhock is doing really well. It's recovered. It has some problems with bugs, but it's doing really well. And my lima beans are doing the best. The lima beans are doing really well. I think we're going to get a lot. Gotta have a lot. These potatoes are the ones that are the worst. Something is just eating everything off of it. Maybe it's not a bug. Maybe it's a mole or something, because there are definitely holes in here.